In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view all your Trello cards in one place. If you work across multiple boards, this quick workflow will give you a single, organized list of everything that needs your attention, without hopping from board to board. First, open your web browser and head to Google. In the search bar, type Trello and press Enter. From the results, click the official Trello website. If you're not already signed in, make sure you log in so Trello can show your cards from all the boards you're part of. Once you're on Trello, look to the top right corner of the page and click your profile icon. Depending on your settings, this might appear as your photo or your initials. A small menu will open. From that menu, click on Cards. This takes you to a dedicated page that aggregates your cards across all your boards and workspaces. Here, you can see all your cards in one place. Each entry shows the card title, the board it belongs to, and other helpful details like due dates and labels, so you can quickly understand what the task is and where it lives. Think of this page as your personal command center. Instead of scanning each board, you can scroll this single list to review everything assigned to you. If you want to open a card, just click it to jump straight to the board and list where it lives. A handy tip: if you like to keep your overview open, right-click a card and open it in a new tab, so your cards page stays put. When you want to prioritize time-sensitive work, sort by due date. Use the Sort option on the page and choose the due date view. This brings upcoming and overdue items to the top, making it easier to plan your day or week. It's especially useful before stand-ups or when you need a quick snapshot of what's urgent. If you're reviewing work board by board, switch the sort to board instead. This groups your cards by the boards they belong to, helping you focus on one project area at a time. It's a great way to prepare for team-specific meetings or to clear out tasks in a single project before moving on to the next. And that's it. By going to Google, typing Trello, clicking the Trello website, opening your profile menu and selecting cards, you'll have a complete list of your tasks at your fingertips. Use Sort by due date when you need urgency, or Sort by board when you want project clarity. Try both and pick the one that fits your workflow best.